Hello friends, welcome back to Mia's Spice World. Today we will be making a savory and spicy masala French toast. This is one of the quickest breakfast recipe that you can make if you have bread and eggs on hand. It can also be a perfect evening egg snack recipe for kids. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started with the recipe. In a wide mouth bowl, crack open 4 eggs. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk and beat them well. Now add salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Whisk for a minute. Add 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chilli, and some chopped coriander leaves. Beat the egg mixture well. You can also add some chopped tomatoes, corn, and capsicum to the egg mixture. Heat a non-stick pan and add 1 teaspoon of butter and let it melt over medium heat. Take a bread slice and dip it into the egg mixture and press it down well. Flip it and let it absorb the egg mixture from the other side too. Carefully remove the soaked bread and gently place it on the pan. Let it cook on medium flame for about a minute until it turns golden brown. Flip the bread and continue to toast for another 1 minute. When the bread has turned crisp, remove from pan. It would be better if you use a slightly old and firm bread for making this masala French toast. If you are using a fresh and soft bread, then use the chilled bread. This would help to absorb the egg mixture nicely and would retain its shape. Repeat the same with the other slices. Spread some onion from egg mixture on the top and continue to toast the bread until it's done. Our buttery and spicy masala French toast is ready to be served. Enjoy this with ketchup and hot masala chai. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.